Hello. Barattoonni keenya kan bakka hunda jirtan akkam bultan, akkam ooltan, akkam waaritan, akkam jirtu. Our students all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And I hope all of you are fine. በዓለም ላይ ያላችሁ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ተማሪዎቻችን እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት ዋላችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነውን ሁላችንም ደህና ነን። Kanaaf kaayyoon barnoota keenya har'aa maali? So the specific objective of today's session is about to identify the Afaan Oromo letters, to list the types of letters, to state the characteristics of the letters, to use the letters in word formation, to relate the letters with the culture of the people, and to match the letter to their sound says. Kanaaf kaayyoon barnoota har'aa qubeewwan afaan Oromoo adda baasu, qubeewwan afaan Oromoo tarreessu, amaloota qubee afaan Oromoo agarsiisu, qubeewwan afaan Oromoo fayyadamuun jechoota uumu, qubee afaan Oromoo fi aadaa Oromoo ibsuun agarsiisu. Sagalee fi qubeewwan walitti firoomsuu kan jedhudha. ስለዚህ የዚህ ትምህርት ዓላማ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደላትን መለየት፣ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደሎች ጸባያቸውን መዘርዘር፣ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደሎችን በቃላት ምስረታ መጠቀም እና የአፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደሎችና ድምጾችን ማዛመድ የሚል ነው። So having these objectives, we'll go to the first session. So what is the following? ቀጥሎ ያለው ምንድን ነው? ቀጥሎ ያለው እንግዲህ እንደዚህ ነው። ቁቤ አፋን ኦሮሞ አልፋቤት፣ ቁቤ ዱቢፈማ ፊ ዱበቺፍቱ ኮንሶናንት ቫወል ሌተርስ፣ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደላት። እነዚህም አናባቢና ተነባቢ ፊደላት ናቸው። ስንት ናቸው? ሜቀሳን baay'inni qubee afaan oromoo meeqa? Gosti isaanii akkamii? So here baay'inni qubee afaan oromoo walumaa galatti 33 33 ናቸው። dubbachiiftuun 5 a e i o u. So isaan shanan kun these fives are vowels. እነዚህ አምስቱ ፊደላት አናባቢ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ቀጥሎ ያለው ደግሞ ዱቢፈማና ዱቢፈማን ኦር ኮንሶናንስ አር 28 ዲግደም ይሰደቲ 28 ናቸው። እነዚህ ደግሞ በሁለት ቦታ ነው የሚከፈሉት። they are called ቁቤ ቄንጤ ፊ ቁቤ ደቻ። So we have single letters which are around 21 and we have double letters or diagraphs or paired letters which are 7. So as we can see barra jalqabe hanga zaatti, chaadhaa jalqabee hanga jaatti. So the single letters ጥንድና ጥንድ ያልሆኑ 21 ጥንድ የሆኑ ደግሞ 7 ፊደላት አሉ ማለት ነው። እነዚህ በአጠቃላይ 33 ናቸው። እነዚህ 33ቱን በሶስት ቦታ መድበን አናባቢ፣ በሁለት ቦታ መድበን አናባቢና ተነባቢ፣ dubbachiiftuu fi dubbifamaa. So vowels and consonants, we say we divide them into two first, and then after that we have some other division which is the double and the single letters, as I mentioned here: ba, cha, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ka, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ta, ya, ya, za. So these are single, while cha, da, sha, a, nya, ja, sa. እነዚህ ደግሞ these are paired, all right? ጥንድ ናቸው ማለት ነው። So the first thing is what generally we have 33 vowels, 33 ፊደላት አሉ። እነዚህ ደግሞ አናባቢና ተነባቢ ሆነው አናባቢ 5 ሲሆኑ ተነባቢዎች 28 ናቸው። ከዚህ ውስጥ ደግሞ ጥንዶች 27 ሲሆኑ ጥንዶቹ 7 ሲሆኑ 21ዱ ሲንግል ናቸው፣ ጥንድ ያልሆኑት ናቸው። So this is the general overall. Kunika walumaa galatti qubeen afaan oromoo 33 yoo ta'an dubbifamaa fi dubbachiiftuu dubbifamaan 28 yoo ta'u dubbifamaa keessaa qubeen cimdii yookiin qubeen dachaa 7 yoo ta'an isaan hafan 21 immoo qubee qeenxee jedhamee beekamu. Kana beekuun baay'ee barbaachisaadha jechuudha. Mee itti aanee alaallu kan when we go that amaloota qubeewwan afaan oromoo the characteristics of afaan oromoo letters. So we have 6 characteristics that we can mention. Qubee guddaa, qubee xixiqqaa, qubee gugurdaa we can say capital letters, upper letters, capital letters, small letters, right? Qubee qeenxee single letter, qubee cimdii, diagraphs or double letters, paired letters, qubee dubbachiiftuu vowel letters, qubee dubbifamaa consonant letters. ስለዚህ ትላልቅ አሉ፣ ትናንሽ አሉ፣ ጥንድ አሉ፣ ጥንድ ያልሆኑ አሉ፣ አናባቢ አለ፣ ተነባቢ አለ። So these are what the characteristics that we observe እና እንደ መለያ የምናያቸው ጸባያቸው ምንድነው? ትላልቅ አለ፣ ትናንሽ አለ፣ ጥንድ አለ፣ ጥንድ ያልሆነ አለ፣ አናባቢ አለ፣ ተነባቢ አለ። So as you can read from the top, we have capital letters, we have small letters, aba, cha, cha, da, ta, e, and we have also single letters, we have double letters, we have vowels, we have consonants. አናባቢዎች ቅድም እንዳልናቸው 5 ናቸው፣ ተነባቢዎች 28 ናቸው። So በነጠላ የሚጻፉ ሲንግል ሌተርስ አር ዜር፣ በደብል የሚጻፉ ደግሞ ፔርድ ሌተርስ አሉ። ሶ ትላልቅ እና ትናንሽ የሚባሉ ሌተርሶች አሉ። ሶ when we talk about letters ስለ ፊደላት ዋይ ስናወራ እነዚህን ኖቲስ ማድረግ የግድ ይላል ማለት እነዚህን መገንዘብ ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። So when we talk about this, it is worth noticing these things, right? There are 6 characteristics when we talk about letters. Why qubee afaan oromoo yoo haasofnu yoo kaafnu qubee gugurdaa jira, qubee xixiqqaa jira, qubee qeenxee jira, qubee cimdii jira, qubee dubbachiiftu jira, qubee dubbifamaatu jira jechuudha. Isaan kana adda baasuun baay'ee barbaachisaadha. Egaa itti fufnaa amaloota qubeewwan afaan oromoo laallu keessattuu amala qubee dubbachiiftu laalla amma. Dubbachiiftuun baay'een isaanii 5dha. There are 5 of them, 5 ናቸው። isaanis qubeewwan sagalee mataa isaanii qabanidha. They have their own sounds. All right? They don't need the help of another sound or consonant to make sound. All right? So these are what sagalee mataa isaanii qabu የራሳቸው ድምፅ አላቸው ማለት እነዚህ አናባቢዎች ማለት ነው። ከናፉ qubeewwan biroos sagalee kennuun qubeewwan biroofis sagalee kennuun ni beekamu የራሳቸው ድምፅ ስላላቸው ለሌሎችም ድምፅ ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። They give sound for others. For example, b has no sound, so it comes with a and they get the sound ba, b, be, bo, bu. This is as a result of the vowels we have, and the consonants don't have their own sounds. They take it from the vowel, and when we make a kind of summing up. B plus A gives us ba. B plus A gives ba. All right, the sound that the sheep make ba. Dubbachiiftuun sagaleen akka dheeratu yookiin gabaabbatu gooti. Vowels make the sounds long or short. So this is a characteristic. And the vowels give sound for consonant. This is one of their characteristics. They do have their own sound. የራሳቸው ድምፅ አላቸው። ለሌሎች ድምፅ ይሰጣሉ። ድምፆችን ያስረዝማሉ ወይ ያሳጥራሉ። ይሄ የአናባቢዎች መለያ ነው ማለት ነው። ቆፈ ሳኒ akka sagaleetti dhaabbachuu danda'u. They can stand by their own. These vowel sounds can stand by their own. በራሳቸው ይቆማሉ። ከዛ we say what? A, E, U. When we say it makes sense. That means dubbachiiftuun yeroo barreeffaman yeroo gargar ta'an yookaan bakka sagaleen addaan citutti hudhaan addaan ba'uu qabu. 2 different vowels shouldn't be written together without apostrophe s. All right? That means if it is not for making long, we don't write, for example, 3 vowels together without any apostrophe in between them. All right. So the level allowed is what? We can have 2 vowels, similar vowels, with 1 consonant. ከአንድ አናባቢ ጋር ሁለት ተነባቢ ማስቀመጥ as written above ማድረግ እንችላለን። ያለዛ ግን ሳ አ ለማለት there should be apostrophe in between. ቡአ ቡኢ በኢ ቡአ በኢ means ups and downs. Bu'a ba'i means ups and downs. Sa'a means cow. So this is the characteristics of what? Vowel sounds. Kanaaf qubeen dubbachiiftuun amaloota kana qaba jechuudha. Mataa sagalee mataa isaanii qabu, sagalee warra dubbifamaa ta'eef kennu, sagalee dheeressuu fi gabaabsuu danda'u, ofii isaaniitiin akka sagaleetti dhaabbatu, yeroo barreeffaman immoo lamaa ol ta'anii barreeffamani. Yoo lamaa ol ta'an gidduu isaaniitti bu'aan ni barbaachisa. What we call apostrophe kan jedhe sun bu'aan ni barbaachisa amala kana qabu jechuudha. So let's proceed and let's talk about other things here. So when you go to the front, egaa qubeen afaan Oromoo letters and vowel letters. We are talking about vowel letters now. A, O, U, E, I. A, afaan Oromoo. O, Oromoo. U, uummata. E, eebba. I, ilma. If we say like this, A stands for language or afaan Oromoo. O stands for Oromoo. U stands for uummata. E stands for A stands for Ebba. E stands for Ilman. So if you take this one as a word, Afan Oromo, to remember these Afan Oromo vowels, we can use, you can relate to the culture, right? That's Afan Oromo related to the culture of Oromo people. For example, Oromo people speak by Afan Oromo language, right? Oromo people are called Ilman Oromo. Oromo people are believe or give a great space for Ebba, Ilman Ebba Fiddo Kennan. So Oromo people are known by what? Receiving blessing, Rather than receiving money, I prefer receiving bless. Receiving bless, you see. So qubeen afaan Oromoo egaa qubee dubbachiiftuun aadaa uummata Oromoo wajjin wal qabsiisuu dandeenya. Afaan Oromoo people speak by Oromo people speak by afaan Oromoo, so we can say afaan Oromoo. A stand for afaan. O stand for Oromo. E stand for Ilman. E stand for Ebba. I stand for Ilman. Afaan Oromo, Ilman Oromo, Ilman Ebba, Ummata Oromo, Ummata Ebba, we can say, because blessing has a very great place in Oromo people's culture, right? Rather than giving a son or a daughter the money, we Oromo people prefer taking blessing. Blessing is more than money, all right? More than a gift, all right? So, Ummanni Oromo people speak by his language that is called Afaan Oromo. And Oromo people are called Ilman Oromo. And we can call them Ilman Ebba also, because they give blessing a great place. Ummata Oromo fi Ebbi wal qabata. Ummata Ebbati, they welcome any kind of ethnic groups. So they are what? Ummata Ebba, they are blessed people who welcome anyone and give, feed, and welcome. So we can remember by relating these letters also by relating with the culture of these respective people. Afaan Oromoo, ilmaan eebbaa, ummata Oromoo, ummata eebbaa we can say. And also we can relate this also with, if you look at this one, ይሄም ምንድነው ቁቤን አፋን ኦሮሞ araara, o odaa, uummata, elellee, iddoo. If you take Oda has a great place also in the culture of Oromo people. Oda araara, iddoo araara, elellee araara, uummata araara. Oda is a place where Oromo people come together and make a reconciliation, right? Make peace with and make decision. As Oromo people live on Gada system, so they come together under Oda tree. If you look at our flag also, there is Oda on it. And then Oda has a great place. That is because where Oromo people come together and make this one decision. Oda Arara means a tree of reconciliation. Iddo Arara, a place of reconciliation. Elele Arara means rejoice of reconciliation. Ummata Arara means people of reconciliation, people who believe in making peace, right? And who want to live in peace, and who don't want, right? So these letters can be related with the culture, with way of life of Oromo people also. A, O, U, A, E, all right? So this is what we can talk about, because by relating with the culture of the people whom we are talking about his language, right? ሌላ ደግሞ ለምሳሌ ቁቤ አፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደላት እነዚህ አምስቱ ከዚህ ከአማርኛ ፊደሎቻችን ጋር ስናየው አ ኤ ኢ ኦ ኡ. So who you can match ወልት from Sudan desu you can match it. For example ሀልተውሃ ላይ ኡ አለ ሀ ይመስላል፣ ላ አለ አ ይመስላል፣ ሀሙራሃ አለ ኢ ነው፣ ማ አለ ኦ ሁለት ኦ ይመስላል ማ ራሱ፣ ሳ አለ ኤ. So we can match. For example, if you have Amharic language as our native language, you can match it to the these Afan Oromo letters, all right? O, U, A, E, A, all right? You can match it. ማዛመድ ትችላላችሁ። ይሄኛው ምንድነው በኦሮምኛ ያለውና በአማርኛ ያሉት አናባቢዎች በኦሮምኛ ኦልሬዲ እነዚህ ናቸው። የሚረዝምም የሚቀጥም የሚረዝምም የሚያጥርም እዚሁ ላይ ይታወቃል ማለት ነው። So when we proceed, ወልት from the match the following as a long or short. So vowel sounds are what? ቁቤን ዱበቺፍቱ ማኒ ኤረቱ ሂንገባበቱ jecha tokko eeressu, jecha tokko gabaabsu. Era means long, gababa means short. Anyway, as you can see here, A and B. Number one is what? Ooh, it says ooh. If someone say like this in our Oromo culture, so that person is shouting, all right, yelling. እርዳታ ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ሲጮ ሰው ሲጮ it says. So the person uses what? Long oo, all right? saying means what? አቤት እንደማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሎንግ ቫውሎችን ስንጠቀም የራሳቸው ሚኒንግ አለ። ሲባል ድረሱልኝ ሰው ስል ነው። when someone is yelling, shouting, because something wrong has happened. ሲባል ደግሞ አቤት እንደማለት ነው። when someone say means yes, that means. So there are also birds that make sound, right? Adabuna jennanuti, there is a bird called adabuna, and that makes this sound, right? It says. So I want you to match them, whether this sound is long or short. When we say it's maybe the sound of insect like bee, like mosquito and others. So vowel can be used in this way, right? It has own sound that can be long or short. በራሱ ጊዜ ረዥምም አጭርም የሚሆን ሳውንድ አለው። ኦ ኡ አ ኢ ኤ እነዚህ ደግሞ አጫጭር ናቸው። So matching this is very important. You can match and you can familiarize yourself with the nature of these vowel sounds. Dubbachiiftuuwwan kanukaa akkamitti jecha keessatti akka faayidaarra oolan ilaaluudhaan hubachuu dandeenya jechuudha. Egaa dubbachiiftuma irratti amma baay'ee hojjetaa jirru hundoofne itti fayyadama qubee dubbachiiftu the use of vowel letters in afaan Oromoo. Oduu, oogdii, oduu means news ዜና ማለት ነው። ኦግዲ ኮምፓውንድ አውድማ፣ ኤርጋ ሜሴጅ፣ ኤሌ ረዥም ሲሆንና አጭር ሲሆን it is a contribution of vowels. Dubbachiiftu fayyadamuudhaan jecha tokko dheeraa jecha tokko gabaabaa goonaa jechuudha. Yookiin immoo re'ee, sa'a, bu'aa, du'e, bona, boonaa. So by using vowels we can make the sound hang. Re'ee, sa'a, bu'aa, du'e. So when yeroo dubbachiiftu fayyadamnu jecha ho'aa fayyadamna, jecha dheeraa fayyadamna, jecha gabaabaa fayyadamna, jecha sagalee dheeraa yookiin immoo gabaabaa duraaf duubatti finnee fayyadamuu dandeenya jechaadha. Walumaa galatti har'a qubee afaan Oromoo dubbachiiftuu fi dubbifamaa ta'uu, qeenxee fi dachaa ta'uu, gugurdaa fi xixiqqaa ta'uu isaanii isaan kana laalleera. Keessattuu immoo har'a qubeen dubbachiiftuun akkamitti sagalee afaan Oromoo dheeressuu fi gabaabsuu akka dandeessu, sagaleen kun immoo jecha keessatti galee akkamitti akka faayidaarra oolu laalle በአጠቃላይ እንግዲህ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ፊደላት 6 ባህሪያቶች እንዳላቸው አናባቢና ተነባቢ፣ ትልቅና ትንሽ፣ ደብልን ምንድነው ነጠላና ጥንድ መሆን እንደሚችሉ፣ እነሱም ደግሞ ቃላትን ለማስረዘም ለማሳጠር እንደሚጠቅሙ፣ ለብቻቸውም ደግሞ ራሳቸውን ድምፅ ስላላቸው በራሳቸው መቆም እንደሚችሉ ይሄን አይተናል። ገለቶማ I thank you very much for attending and I hope you find it very interesting. So you can comment it and you can be our member freely by subscribing. Egaa bilisaan maamila keenya ta'uudhaan nu deeggaruu dandeessu. Baay'ee galatoomadha. Afaan Oromoo barachuu itti fufaa, baradhaa. Afaan kamuyyuu nama baratu san gargaaraa. Galatooma.